The purpose of this video is to present parts of the Ultimax 1000, its benefits and advantages, as well as its application in the work. The main parts of the Ultimax 1000 are traction hoist, anti-tilt fall prevention device, anti-acceleration fall prevention device, control panel with hand buttons, header, guard rail, top tube, floor latches, and of course key, stopper, upper stop. The Ultimax 1000 was developed by Menegotti to offer the customer an equipment designed for moving and lifting people and materials during vertical work of construction as, for example, paints, finishes, cleaning, repairs to buildings, as well as assisting in the assembly of equipment such as towers, silos, windmills, among others. The main objective is to provide greater security to the operators, practical assembly, agility in displacements, and greater comfort to operators during work. Equipment developed according to the prevailing safety norms, the only one in the market with additional safety device. Know the main characteristics of the equipment. Additional safety. Ultimax 1000 has a double anti-tilt fall prevention device and two anti-acceleration, providing additional safety for the operator. Work platform. It is 750 mm wide and has a protection edge around a contour that avoids sharp edges, allowing increased comfort and excellent workspace for operators. Load capacity. Besides the performance of the two traction hoists, each power of 2 CV, the Ultimax 1000, regardless of the composition, supports 1000 kilograms, but you must deduct the weight of the equipment. Ultimax 1000 has the following accessories: retractor, counterweight, spool, platform rotation, and wall plate rotation. Now, we will show how to use the equipment safely, manual and standards. Before using the Ultimax 1000, operators should carefully read the owner's manual. Operators' safety. The workers must be able to work at heights, following assessments by occupational medicine physicians according to procedures of the safety norms. Platform suspension devices. Suspension devices are equipment mounted on top of the building, through which pass the traction and safety cables. Assembly and positioning of the steel cables. The safety cables tied down must be in a different point from the traction cables, thereby avoiding the failure of the two cables together and causing the fall of the equipment. The modules of the structure of the Ultimax 1000 are fixed by pins and clips, which considerably reduces the assembly time. Follow up the equipment operation in the work. Check the use of the safety equipment and especially the lifeline assembly. Check if the power cord is connected. Make the connection of the power cables of the engines and of the control buttons. Verify if the internal circuit breakers of the panel are connected and close the control panel cover. Place the selector switch in the center position to drive simultaneously the two hoists. Press the up or down buttons as needed. Important: the equipment must go through the working path without any obstacles. Obstacles cause a sudden displacement of the platform and endanger the lives of the operators. Load test. Be sure to load evenly over the entire working platform within the limits indicated for each composition. The charge must consider the weight of the material for the execution of the work, operators and tools. Climb 3 to 5 times up to a maximum height of 2 meters. Note any unusual noises or equipment malfunction. If a problem is noticed, it should be solved before starting work. If the platform becomes uneven during operation, proceed as follows. Select via the selector switch the highest side of the platform. Press the down button until the platform is level. Return the selection switch to the center position and continue the work. Important: never work with the platform uneven. Avoid accidents. The uneven platform also causes premature wear of the equipment. Make daily assessments of the fall prevention device, operation of the end-of-course keys and emergency button. Test the manual lowering levels, the electromagnetic brake, and evaluate possible slippages. Remember to assess the state of the steel cables, clamps and shoes. At the first sign of breaking cables, they should be replaced. Record the checks in a control spreadsheet. Preserve the safety and life of the equipment. The maintenance of the safety devices must be performed by personnel authorized by Menegotti and Technical Assistance Network. The motorized suspended scaffolding Ultimax 1000 is a special equipment and must be always operated within specifications for load and installation, besides being subject to the safety and operating procedures contained in the norms.